Hello people. Welcome to this cool video that I'm going to do showing you guys how I prep my face to go out for the day. It's rather hot here in Boston right now. It's pretty humid. Today what I used to start by cleaning my face, I used, of course, my Koda skincare. I've been using this since February of last year, I think, this year. I don't know, but this is like my fourth bundle. So this is the CBD cleanser. This is the toner, the Rose toner. And I follow it up when it's not too hot some days with this CBD cream. When it's really humid, I don't put too much of that on just because it tends to really moisturize, and my skin, I sweat a lot. So my face and everything, baby hairs don't last on me on hot days. As y'all can see, I'm already sweating and I'm just in my bathroom. So anyways, that's what I clean my face with twice a day, in the morning when I wake up and at night. And then I'm going to use this Pat McGrath palette that I just got. I'm so excited. It's called the Mothership eyeshadow palette. This is the Mothership Rose Decadence palette. That's what it looks like. Show you guys. And I have to be quick because I'm leaving soon. I just want to show you guys what that looks like. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna start applying that a little bit on my face. And my face is already so sweaty. It's crazy. I'm in my bathroom and it's hot. So we open my door just to get some air in here because it's hot and your girl don't have central air. And my locks. This is my baby hair, right? It's not gonna look like that in a few minutes. It's gonna be already trying to sweat out. But yeah, I know I got a big forehead. Don't come for me. Anyways, let's try this palette out. Another palette that I also have is the Fenty Beauty palette. I love this palette. The colors, beautiful. It's called the Kilowatt Foil palette. It's from Fenty Beauty. Actually, this was gifted to me by one of my friends in cosmetology school. So if you see this, shout out to Jet Says, because he's the guy that gave this to me. And he also gave me my first Pat McGrath palette, which I don't have up here, but it's more of a coral copper color palette. I don't know the name of it, but so this is actually my second Pat McGrath palette. And it's still mask season. I'm still using my mask, but I do love this. It's a bit messy. I've had it for a long time. This shimmer bronzer, and it's from the Crayon Case. And I love it. It's beautiful. So, let me do this really quick. Oh! Isn't this palette beautiful? So beautiful. So let's see what I'll go on with first. Probably use this one in the middle. And I believe it's called Scandalous. So I'm going in with Scandalous. This one in the middle. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. And it's so scandalous. Y'all, I'm not a makeup artist, so don't expect to be seeing too many proper techniques. I just put it on how I put it on. Why do I always have my mouth open like this when I apply makeup? Like, so ugly. But anyways, it's a Scandalous. Doesn't it look beautiful, guys? I don't go too heavy with my makeup, especially when it's hot. Like, And no, I don't put a primer on. Very simple. I don't use foundation, any of that stuff. And my eyeshadow tends to last until I take it off at the end of the day or whenever I feel. I'm gonna go in with, let's try this gold one right here. And I believe this is called Golden Honey. Yeah, that gives it a bit of a pop. So pretty. Yep. Love it. Love the shimmer. Y'all see that pop? And that's all I'm gonna do for this palette. Real simple. Probably won't use the Fenty Beauty today. Sometimes I mix my palettes. I'm gonna go in with, you guys are gonna laugh at me, one of my basic beauty store, dollar store liners. It's like $1, $2. Don't come for me. It's a dark brown. I use this for my eyebrows. And then I'll go in with a black bold eye from the beauty store, about two bucks. And then I will go in with my Maybelline Master Precision All Day Matte Eyeliner. I love it. Yeah, I love eyeliner. But first, I'm going to go in with the black bold eyeliner that I got from the beauty store. Make sure I don't have no crusties coming out again. Hold my eye like so. And some days I want a thicker line, some days I want a thinner line. Today I'm in a rush, so I love liner. So now I'm gonna go in with the dark brown bold eyeliner. Just to calm that down a bit. And then I'm gonna go in with the precision liner. It wants to come in kind of thick today. I didn't really want it that thick today, but whatever. I'm rushing, so. A little bit of a wing. I'm not really good with wings, so. And I actually like the Maybelline eyeliner, the Maybelline mascara, the purple tube, but it's downstairs. I'm not going to get that. So I will use this free Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. I brought my grandma some perfume, and I guess I paid over a certain amount of, I think I paid like $80 for the perfume, and it came with this free mascara. So this is from Estee Lauder. I'm trying to keep my mouth closed, y'all. I always keep my mouth open. Like this. I love mascara. I'm not really an eyelash girl. I don't like wearing fake lashes. I don't mind lash extensions because I don't have to worry about them being as crazy as I feel regular lashes that you glue on. But I love a pop of the eye. And I don't really have much lashes, so I have to really put in some work to get them. This is it. My mom is on her way. Along with the guy that I have been dealing with for 7 years. He's picking her up, and then they're coming to get me, so I gotta hurry up. The guy that I've been dealing with for 7 years. That's how you know when you're being mean. Don't even give him a label. There's no diamonds until those diamonds come. A lot of rambling in this video. I usually use crayon case makeup wipes. Love them. Love them. I ran out. I gotta order some more. I like Oil of Olay too if I don't have crayon case. I don't like Neutrogena. Sorry, Neutrogena. I didn't even have to mention that, but only mention that because I got some, and the smell on those things are crazy. Just something with the smell of the Neutrogena wipes that make makeup removal wipes that makes me just, it just smells too crazy. So, it's a bit messy of a look, but if I was to apply, I'm gonna be wearing my mask, but if I was to apply the crayon case, I usually just put it along the brow like so, but I'll be having a mask on, so I'm not gonna do that much. And I would, you know, along the bridge of my nose for that shimmer. But sometimes I put a little, you know, well, but because I'm wearing a mask, it's pointless to do that. But you guys can see how lovely it would be if I applied a good amount of it. You don't need much. So this is what my look is. And what I kind of do is I kind of clean it up. I'll get like, I don't have my towel right here, but I would just get a little towel that I use to just clean up my edges. A wet towel. And that's it. I'm gonna put my hair up in 2 ponytails. I don't have my scrunchies here. I'm so not prepared for this. So random. And that's gonna be it. Mom's calling. Gotta go.